From the bubblegum pop of Baby to the mature sounds of Justice, Justin Bieber's musical evolution is a testament to his growth as an artist. Each album marks a new chapter, showing deeper layers of his artistry while embracing new sounds and tackling more complex themes in his music. From controversies to chart toppers, Justin Bieber's career has seen its fair share of highs and lows. Each challenge and triumph has been a learning experience, shaping him into the artist and person he is today. His resilience in facing public scrutiny has endeared him even more to his fans. Discover how collaborations with other artists have shaped Justin Bieber's musical journey. Working with a diverse range of musicians has not only broadened his stylistic boundaries, but also brought fresh perspectives to his music. Each collaboration has been a stepping stone in his evolution as a global pop icon. His influence on music styles extends beyond his own genre, dabbling in R&B, electronic music, and even country influences in recent releases. This versatility not only showcases his range, but also shapes the soundscape of contemporary pop music, encouraging other artists to experiment and evolve. Exploring Bieber's musical toolbox reveals a mixture of catchy hooks, heartfelt lyrics, and a distinctive voice that resonates with a broad audience. His ability to convey emotion through music and connect with listeners on a personal level is a key factor in his widespread appeal. The evolution of Bieber's music videos reflects his growth as an artist and a person. From the playful simplicity of his early videos to more complex narratives in recent works, these videos have not only entertained, but also offered insight into his artistic evolution. They've become a vital part of his brand, influencing trends in the music video industry. Maintaining superstardom is no small feat. Yet Justin Bieber has managed to stay at the top of the music industry for over a decade. His ability to adapt and evolve with the changing musical landscape shows a deep understanding of both his audience and the industry itself. From his early days as a viral YouTube sensation to becoming a music veteran, Justin Bieber's career longevity is a testament to his talent and savvy decision-making. Analyzing his journey shows how he has managed to stay relevant, continually engaging with new sounds and trends while still holding on to his original fan base. Justin Bieber's knack for collaboration has played a significant role in his sustained relevance. Working with artists across various genres, from hip-hop to country, has allowed him to reach wider audiences and experiment with different musical styles, keeping his sound fresh and current. As we anticipate the future, it's exciting to speculate on the next chapters of Justin Bieber's musical journey. With his track record of reinvention and pushing boundaries, the possibilities are endless. Fans and critics alike eagerly await new sounds, collaborations, and projects that Bieber will bring to the ever-evolving music scene. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Justin Bieber's incredible musical journey. For more intriguing stories about music and its makers, don't forget to subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the lives and legacies of your favorite artists.